Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And this time I want to make some extra storage in my junk journal. I received a nice little sack filled with nice things from AliExpress, but I couldn't keep it in the plastic bag that was torn, so I needed to put it somewhere else, and I didn't know where. So I create some extra space, an envelope with extra space in my junk journal, and I'm using the ink is from Stazon, dark inked, and this is the first tape I make with bloopers. And in the bloopers you see that I use other. Oh, this is stupid. I didn't. Yeah, there are two lines now. I didn't use in the other video lighter green, but my son said he liked the lighter green better than this green. I like this green, but you know, it's always different. So this is the ordinary envelope, and now I'm going to make some extra stories on top, and I'm cutting a hole in the middle. Oh, this is stupid. The papers are so small. I made a long line to see where the middle is, and now I can't see a thing. Well, then it's just good luck. And I only fold the sides and not the bottom, because otherwise it will be too wide. It's always weird when you order something from AliExpress. You never know what you get. Well, you can see it on the pictures, but that's always tricky. And the second thing is you don't know when you get it, because they said I would receive everything, I thought, the 1st of June. Well, it's now the end of March, so there is a little time difference. Maybe they live already in the end of May. That's possible, of course. I mean, there are some hours difference, but maybe months as well. I don't know. Oh, that wasn't clever either. Well, it's going well. If you do it officially, of course, you have to take the right size so that they are equal. But I think that's always very difficult to so I do it with just my vision of my eye, and I hope that it's a bit equal. Well, luckily the thing is for myself, and you are watching, and it's not a present for the Queen of England. Well, maybe she's watching as well, of course, that's possible. I don't know what her hobbies are, but and this is the back side. I'm going to make just one pocket over here as well. And with this one I'm going to make a hole in it as well. and also only the side tabs. And I found some lovely vellum paper. I can't find my bone, so I used a folding bone, so I used my pencil. And the first thing I'm going to do is try to get the thing I want to cut out in the middle. And I make the drawing lines extra long, so when I'm cutting it out I can see very clear where I have to stop. Because that's of course a disaster if you cut it too long. You can better cut it too short than too long, because otherwise there is a hole in your window frame. And now very carefully try to get it out. And of course, we all had it once that, you tried to cut it out and, well, you had more than 2 pieces. And now I realized that I forgot to ink the windows. So if you want to create something like this, then think about that. Ink the windows. And only the edges, so that you can glue it in a little bit easier. And this is that vellum paper. And then it's almost finished. Then I can put it in my junk journal. This is my junk journal. I made it a time ago, and I will tuck it in on the first page. And later on, I will decorate this as well, make something nice of it. And now I can look for the stuff I want to put in. I shall clean it up a little bit over here, because it's a little bit a mess at my table. Some people can work very clean, I can't. And I had received some lovely stickers from little girls. Oh, she's looking just over the top. Oh, that's nice. And this I create earlier. They are just ponched circles with stamp. And some lovely papers I received. And some other lovely papers which I can put over here. And if you liked this video, please give a like. And of course, we're going to watch the bloopers. Yes, I like it. It was a good idea. Oh, the first blooper was, of course, that I wrote I didn't skip Easter. Well, okay. Look what happened. Boom! And there is ink on my table. And this was so sad. This was very sad. It went very well. This is the lighter ink I used. And then from my nail polish. That's stupid. It's just my nail polish. And I can use it, that's no problem. I mean, I will use it the next time with a big sticker over it, but if you make, you can't see through, then it's a waste. Well, okay, things happen. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.